हाँ 8 8
Day 7. I don't even remember if it is day 6 or day 7. But here we are in my peacock green kurta. I'm looking dope. Let's see. I'll keep you updated of whatever I can. Birthday boy. How are you? कौन है ये? हमारी ये कौन है ये? नहीं आ रही है. The pump is insane. And we are done with our leg workout. अब मैं इसी की हवा खाते खाते आपसे बात करने वाला हूँ. And yeah, this looks good. Just let me switch. This looks better, right? So लेग वर्कआउट हो चुका है. आज मेरे भांजे का फर्स्ट बर्थडे था, तो उसके लिए प्रसादी थी. तो मैं फैमिली फंक्शन बोल रहा था, तो मैं उसके बाद में कुछ शूट नहीं कर पाया. मेरे पास थोड़ी बहुत क्लिप्स है. इफ आई एबल टू शो यू, आई विल शो यू. एंड उसके बाद में I came home at 6, and after that I slept for like till 8:30. I woke up, I had my coffee, and then 9:30 I headed to the gym. I started I did a very good warm up for my hips to open up like the stiff hips. Like I have very stiff hips. That's the reason I got a lower back injury like 2 years ago. And so I'm doing a lot of mobility for my hips, and it feels very good. And I start my workout with hip thrust only, so that it develops very well, because the muscle you're training in the starting of your gym sessions will grow the strongest. If you want to grow calves, I have good calves genetically. So if you want to grow good calves and you like not having good genetics, just start your workout with calves. And I have been trying to lose weight and things like that for more than like 3-4 years now, and I've been consistent in the gym for like past like 1.5 year, and now I'm able to see some results. Like you're not able to see that properly, I don't think so, but I can see the like not the striations. It's like too far away from like us right now, but I can see the cuts of my cords, and that was like a very good. That's a very good achievement for me, seeing my cord and my abductors like differentiating in the mirror. It's a very good achievement, and I also did abs today, so I don't know if they're visible. No, they're not. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna cut this. So my abs are not yet visible, and we'll see how well we can do here. Ah, I'm very much tired, and now we'll be doing cardio, and I'll try to get 45 minutes, and I'll also edit my videos like while I'm cycling, or maybe watch some reels, whatever feels right at the time. So that will be it for like the session right now, and I'll see you guys when I'm done with the cardio. I'm done with my cardio, guys. This is a best cardio option I've got, and I need this now after the monologue. So, guys, I'm done with my cardio, and now I am just gonna give you a monologue and then I'll leave. Okay, so I have two things to share with you. So first is progress doesn't feel like progress; it feels like pain when like you're doing things. Unless and until you stop by and just see how far you've come. If I see myself from 2 years ago, I won't believe like how like good I'm like looking and how fit I've got. But right now, I don't feel fit. I feel like I need to do more. And other thing is that if you don't want the lifestyle, this is from James Clear, by the way, who's the writer of Atomic Habits. If you don't want the lifestyle, release yourself from the desire, because like not wanting the process and not loving the process while wanting results is guaranteed disappointment, guys. So that will be it from my end. I'll do the stretching now. It is 11, I don't know, 45, maybe 55, almost 12. And now I'll head home. I have my lunch. I'll have my dinner. I don't know. I always say lunch. I'll have my dinner. And then, like, I'll have to get up by 7 a.m. tomorrow because I'll be going to swimming classes for a month now because I want to prep for something, and I'll like that was the activity we were planning, and but now I'll do some preparation because I think it is important because it is a risky thing. So from tomorrow onwards, we're going for a swimming classes, and it takes a lot of money. And just wanted to tell you that gymming as a hobby is a very very expensive hobby. It's not cheap. You'll have to invest a lot in good clothes. Like I don't invest much in good clothes. Like you'll have to invest in yourself. You have to focus on your diet. Like diet is the most expensive thing, and also like therapies, like if you're loading your muscles with a lot of stress in like every 6 months or a year, you need a proper good massage from a good masseur. So yeah, that will be it from my end, guys. I'll see you tomorrow, and that'll be it, man. Do whatever you want and have a lovely day. Keep showing up for yourself. Hasta la vista.